Well, welcome. You're in Dad's Cafe, and I am Daz, and I am getting ready to prepare a strawberry shake. And I am cutting up fresh strawberries. And since I'm going to put everything in the blender, you don't have to slice it up so thinly. Because I'm going to put about 2 cups of these fresh strawberries in my shake. Now, if you like, you have the option, you can use frozen sliced strawberries, but make sure you get the frozen sliced strawberries that don't have the sugar added, because sometimes that can be a lot of extra sugar. And again, since we're not slicing them so thinly, we can get this sliced up in no time and get ready to make our shake. And this shake is for the whole family. And you can get strawberries almost throughout the season, but certainly when they're in season, they're so good. And they're an excellent source of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. I may have mentioned this on other shows, but an antioxidant is a substance found in plant foods that help to protect our cells and keep them from being easily damaged, which is good. That's about as many strawberries as I need. So I'll add my strawberries. That's about 2 cups. Another ingredient that I'm going to add are some chia seeds, about a teaspoon of chia seeds. Then I'll add my non-dairy ice cream, and I have Breyers non-dairy ice cream, and I'm going to put a cup of non-dairy ice cream into the blender. Put a cup of non-dairy ice cream. And then the last ingredient, you don't need a lot of it, but I'm using the raw honey, and I will put about a teaspoon of raw honey. You can use a half a teaspoon, or you don't need it at all. And then the last ingredient, you don't to our strawberry shake. Blend it up good. Enjoy. Fresh strawberry shake. Enjoy. Well, thanks for watching today. And we post shows on Mondays and Wednesdays, and we want you to be a part of our community so that you can learn about ways to achieve good living. See you next show.